welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing my top 6 products you can find in South Africa for natural hair, and if you're transitioning, I think this is a great few products that you can start off to transition. I'm now a month in the transitioning phase, and I'm quite excited because I see a lot of new growth, and my hair is adapting to the products that I'm using. So I'll start off with my first favorite brand, which is called the Palmer's brand. This is my repairing conditioner that I use. I use it once a week to wash my hair with. And then if I don't want to use shampoo that much, I use my other favorite, which is the co-wash from the Palmer's brand. And I'll also use this with my conditioner once per week. And then I also have the hair milk that I use from the coconut oil range from the Palmer's brand. And then to deep conditioner, I use my favorite deep conditioner protein packs. Yeah, I will use this once a month, and one pack, not once a month, twice a week, and one pack keeps me for a week. And then I started off with the brand. I did a video about it and a review, and I started off with the Curl Chemistry deep conditioning, and then I also had the curl activating cream, and I washed my hair once a week with the sulfate free shampoo. And these products just made my hair really soft, and my hair really responded to these products. So yeah, I used to use the curling cream after shampooing and washing off the shampoo and putting on the deep conditioning, and then leaving that for an hour on, and then I just removed it and washed it off, and then I styled my hair with the activating cream. My next favorite is the Auntie Jackie's Purify Me moisturizing co-wash. I use this just when I run out of products, and this is what I'm left with, and I'll just use it because I only have this co-wash from Auntie Jackie's line. So I only use this once I don't have products and my products run up and I need to really wash hair. Because I'm an athlete, I have to wash my hair like twice a week because of sweat buildup. My other next favorite, like that I used before I transitioned, was also from the Palmer's brand, but the olive oil range formula. It is the growth therapy olive oil. This works wonders with my hair. It makes my hair thick. It's also sulfate free. All these products are sulfate free. It's for natural hair, like everything is natural. And then another one from the Palmer's range I use is I don't use it that often, but it's the leave-in conditioner from the olive oil range. I bought it like way back when I started transitioning, but I don't use it that often because I don't like leaving conditioner in my hair and just styling it with that, so I don't use it often. I should actually try it again. Yeah, but yeah, this also works for me, but it gets dry quickly, and I like my hair should be moisturized for long. And then my favorite one that I style my hair with, like if I want to go out and I want to go train, like to get this all my hair to the back, I use the Cantu shea butter growth strong strengthening treatment. Like this I style my hair with, like you can see there's even nothing in, and it kept me quite long. Like I'm saving that bit like for this month and the month only started, so I'm saving it until I can, because this range is quite expensive, but it's worth it. And then my one I recently started styling my hair with, just to put my hair back, I'll put some on. Wait, let me first introduce the product. It's the Eco Styling gel, like the olive oil one. Like this one is so expensive, but I just closed my eyes and I bought it, and I would put some on my hair and style my hair, put it to the back in a bun, as you can see, my favorite hairstyle. And like, and then I'll just put a scarf on my head, a satin scarf. Let me show you my satin scarf. Like, it's orange. Yeah, and then I'll put some of this on, and then just put on my satin scarf just to keep my hair down. And then I'll style my hair with this. And that is my top 6 products that I use on my natural hair. I'm still excited for this journey, and yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe below. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and on Snapchat. I'm even on Facebook also. Thank you guys for watching.